Oh yeah, I can see that expert mode would be a real challenge.
Right here where you are. I can't see.
Is that hide and go right there?
Why your camera can't see?
Huh?
I can't see. That's the same.
Okay,
Oh, I didn't know you had the mode.
Yeah, my right side.
I went and lost distance. That's why it was on the return home.
You lost the connection?
Yeah, that's it. It was go beep beep beep. So it was.
Come on, do
Is it
something.
coming home?
I am no. I turned it off.
Are you doing it all by itself? It looks like a big bug, doesn't it?
Go do something.
Yeah, let me get my phone. Don't fly away.
Gotta do something.
Where'd it go?
I can't see.
I'm gonna bring it up. I'm gonna make a big pass. And make it go up fast. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You got the brake
All right,
on?
now I'm in that real fast mode.
Are you really?
Yeah.
You crash, I'm gonna get it on camera.
I hit that button and it took a long time. Golly!
He's having fun. I didn't get that picture. You want to do that when I get...
I got it
I'm
on
gonna
video.
bring it down so I can go whoop.
I know. I don't know what you're doing.
I got it on camera.
Huh?
I got it on video.
Oh, you got it on video? You got it crashing on video? Oh, you lucky guy.
Barely. I can see. I got glasses on and so.
Okay, still in good shape.
It just did the landing gears.
Landing gear.
Break them off?
Just the landing gear.
You might want to get a half a dozen of those. Oh, it's a tough machine.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it did shear them off, didn't it? Well, maybe that's what's going to save the aircraft. But you can still fly it, you know.
Let me see that thing.
You can still fly it without one.
Yeah.
You do it again?
Yeah, watch out, Frank. I'm not going to go to that one mode.
Oh, you just got one back.
I was saying you shouldn't go to that mode. I knew you were gonna crash.
Well, he might have been, he would have probably had more time if he was higher up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I knew you were gonna crash.
Well, you can go full board and then go up and see what it does. I like the light. What's the beeping sound?
Beep, beep, that's going up.
Oh, it keeps going up.
Different. Lower beep
Oh,
is coming
lower
down.
beep.
No beep is 50% or more.
What you were doing in the first place? You want me to get
Yeah,
on
but it
camera
goes to gear
and
eight.
I've done it.
Oh, that is good. So you don't move that right control very far. There you go. A little bit of time, yeah. Boy, those lights really show up, don't they? That really helps in your orientation.
walk up to it.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
UFO sighting again.
It looks like a UFO.
What you were doing earlier.
What?
Come
Oh,
in the higher mode. The next mode.
So if you put it 50%, it holds itself. It stays right where it's at. This is great favorite move. Ooh. I like that whirly sound.
Again.
I'm gonna go up fast.
You're on sport mode. Oh yeah, that light's really do make a difference. And they don't fall off when you crash either. That's pretty good. That's just Velcro, right? Ooh.
What you were doing earlier.
Okay.
Where are you? I have
There.
the phone.
Ooh, I like that one. What's the flight time at? 20 minutes? Oh, ho, 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 ho.
Oh, now I'm still disoriented, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the button down. There. Go into beginner mode. So it holds the altitude.
Oh, the beginner mode goes to hold the altitude?
Yeah, the other ones don't.
Oh. I didn't know that. That's the right button?
Right.
You don't have to move your controls too much to make it move, do you?
I'm not even touching. I'm just using my left one here, see?
Oh, I guess
Because it's on altitude hold. See?
He's in the field. In the ground.
Yeah, I want to do it in the grass.
We'll do it right there.
Because this dirt is hard.
It's not hard. It's easier. Get over here and you have to walk all the way over there.
That's not hard walking that altitude too.
Land it.
Hear the beep? Beep. See, it's on 38. So it's slowly going to go down. And when it's down all the way, then I'll close this down to turn it off. The battery just died.